Okay, all right, that's amazing. Sidra, where are you calling from today? Where are you based exactly today?
Yeah, I'm here in Dublin 13, Bilboy.
Dublin, Dublin 13. Very good. Yeah, wow, lovely. And how are you doing over there in Dublin? How Dublin is treating you today, Monday, Sidra?
Yeah, today it's a good weather, not so cold, not so hot, but it's a good weather. But not it's so much sunny, but it's okay for me. But it's the start of the week, so a little bit lazy, but but it's okay. It will be fine within 1 or 2 days.
Wow, wow, that's amazing. Very happy.
Mhm.
I'm glad to hear that. Very good. Well done. Congratulations. Okay.
Thank you
And
so much.
Sidra, we can go straight away for the process of the interview. Is that okay for you?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Sure, that's amazing. Yeah, just let me get my questions over here. 1 second. Yeah. All right, here we go.
Hmm.
Okay, let's go. Sidra, I'm just wondering, tell me more about yourself, right? Who you are, who is Sidra, why you're here today, and tell me more about your hobbies as well. You know what I mean? A little bit about your hobbies, about your background, professional background, your level of education, and if you have a little bit experience in the business analyst industry, okay? If you don't have nothing, zero experience, I would like to listen this very well, okay? Sidra, go ahead, introduce yourself. I will give you 5 minutes, okay? Go ahead, please.
Okay, sure. Hi, Stella. My name is Sidra Naseem, and I did my master's in business analytics from Ireland, Dublin Business School. And from my home country, I did my master's in business administration, and also I have the knowledge of commerce and other subjects. But academically, I have hand-on experience in this position of business analytics because I know how to test the software because and how to fulfill the requirement analysis of the customers because I worked on practical. Projects in my 1 year master's program, and also professionally, if you can see, I worked as an HR officer and operations officer in my home country. um, in this job experience, I have experience on different softwares like SAP, Harmony, and I support in process automation and requirement analysis on the daily basis environments of pharmaceutical and IT industry. And also in the Ireland, I completed 8 weeks software internship where I worked as an agile tester and detecting the trackers and other things over there. In human resources, I have 3 years experience, but in business analytics, academically, I have experience on practical projects, and also in the internship, it's 8 weeks experience, and I have the knowledge of different business analytics subjects, requirement analysis, project management, data learning, data visualization, the data mining and machine learning techniques. So these are the beneficial knowledge for this job. And secondly, as per my hobbies and other things, so I like traveling, I like gym and other things, cooking, baking. So whenever I feel little bit low, I like to do some baking and stuff. So this is a great pleasure for me if I bake something. So sometimes I thought baking is also a therapy for me when I'm feeling low. And also I am a gym person, so sometime I went for a gym and do some exercise for fitness. And traveling, I love traveling. I want to visit even in abroad. I want to visit all over the Europe and other countries. So this is my dream. Okay, one day I will visit.
Wow. Wow, it's so impressive. Well done. Very good. Very good. But tell me more. Yes, very good. Well done. Question
Thank you
number
so much.
2. Yeah, thank you so much, Sidra. How many, question number 2, how many months or years exactly you got working as a business analyst in the total? Tell me more about these experiences, please.
In business analyst, in job perspective, I have no experience, only 8 weeks experience as an agile tester, not have a proper experience in any job or something. But you can say if I was working in my home country as an operations officer, so I was working with one of the company for software automation and other things. So we are dealing with clients and with my seniors, either the software is working properly or not. So because in business, as a business analyst, we are also working as a median, but professionally you can say it's only 8 weeks experience.
I got it. I got it. Yeah. That means you
Thank
are
you.
very entry level. Your
Yes,
previous background is more academic. It's not too much. It's pretty much academic, but
yes, thank you.
no problem. But another question. Do you think you are, question number 3, okay? Do you think you are suitable? Do you think you are suitable for that position, for the position over here with us in IPAN system? Because look, this is a graduate role, okay? This graduate role is gonna be a lot of the another candidates, people from all across the globe, okay? It's a
Yes.
multicultural team. There is diversity, inclusion. We will we should provide trainings as well. But yes, let me know. Do you think you are suitable for this graduate job role? Let me know your thoughts about this, please.
Yes, as you firstly in your in this job you show the responsibilities and other requirements. So according to requirements, academically I have the degree in business analytics, and I am this is my strength. Yeah, I am a flexible person and a hard worker, so I can easily work with different team environment and also collaborate, because from my previous professional experience I also work with the team and I can easily collaborate with different departments. So in this job, either I have to collaborate within the departments of company or within with different clients. So I think and also I am good in communication. So I think, and secondly, your requirement is for freshers to 2 years experience. So I think it's a good learning for me. If I selected for this position, so I can learn and explore my career in this field, so it's a better opportunity for me. So that reason I apply for this program. And secondly, as you say, there is must be the background from banking operation, business analyst and project management. Uh, so academically I have the degree in business analytics, and also in my either the job is related to human resources, but I have completed different projects, you can see in my resume. So I think I am a suitable candidate for this position. And secondly, um, I'm applying for this position because even I have some experience in internship for agile testing. Maybe this match with my academic and work experience, and also I worked in automation and updation of software testing in pharmaceutical company. Um, so I think I can, maybe my skills isn't for the entry level position, but maybe in future after trainings and other things I can add value in your organization, and helping me to improve myself in this new career. And so this is a better opportunity for me, and you don't have any professional experience for this job, so I thought I should must apply for this job and try my luck for it.
Wow, well done. Okay, thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Yes, the time it's finished. Okay, it's five
Okay.
minutes per question. Thank you so much, Sidra.
Okay, thank you
Yeah,
so much.
let's go. Question number 4. 1 second, please. Look, the question number 4 is why do you want to work for this organization specifically? That means why do you want to work for us in IPAN system? I already asked this question before, but now it's in another way. Let's explore together a little bit more about the why, right? The why. Why do you want to work for this organization specifically, okay? Tell me more about the why. Remember your why, right? 5 minutes, Sidra.
Okay. EPAM, because first is the reason because I want to take any multinational company experience, or EPAM, even working in Ireland, and this is a very multinational company and also working in different countries all over the Europe. So it's a very good start for me if I will start my career from EPAM internationally. So, and secondly, EPAM is a client oriented industry. So in this, um I have the communication, and also I have the connections with different clients that help in career building. And also because in not only I have a contacts with my company employees, but if we contact with different clients from healthcare, from other software industries, and healthcare industries and IT industries, or other engineering industries, so I have the contacts from all over the world industries. So I think this is a very good start for me if I work with any national and cultural company. And secondly, uh, EPAM mostly focus on team working and also in the client based projects. So I think these things help me in finding such jobs. So I think this is the best decision if I apply for this job, or start my career from this job.
Very good. Wow. Wow,
Uh,
lovely. Thank you so much. Very good. Well done. Okay,
Thank
question
you.
number 5, Miss Sidra. Let's go for the question number 5.
Yes.
What do you know? What do you know about our company, IPAN System, in terms of values and recent projects? Okay, pay attention one more time. What do you know about our company in terms of values and recent projects? Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to answer that question. Let me know.
Okay. Mostly, as I saw your website and other things in that website, uh, I read that your company is a client-based company, and your goals is growing and optimizing your business in the different markets. So, and you have different um, partnerships to grow your company and make partners to expand your journey. And also you have different clients and advisors from engineering and IT based industries. So, and even you have so many products in the market, like software updation and other client services and other operational models and business plans. So you are giving these consulting services to different clients. And even on your website, I saw you are providing services in strategy building, engineering sector, cloud sector, cyber security services, data and analytics services, CX plus services, artificial intelligence services. Because I saw your website, and on your website, these things are mentioned over there.
Wow, well done. It's mentioned over
Mhm.
there, right? Super,
Yes.
very good. Yeah, very good, very good. And values, can you just let me know a little bit more in terms of values? I just want to know a
Yeah.
little bit
Yes.
more about the values of the company, right?
Uh,
Yeah.
because as EPAM is a client based company, so